Hello, welcome to the weekend. Please kindly subscribe and share. One recently retired, mild-mannered electrical engineer from Western Pennsylvania has expressed worries about Judge Cannon's role in the prosecution of Donald Trump over secret data. On Thursday, March 28, 2024, Raw Story reported that many people are surprised by the recusal request, which has led to a closer look into the circumstances surrounding the trial. The retired engineer's impromptu comments revealed the public's increasing disapproval of Judge Cannon's objectivity. An impartial judge is becoming more important as the debate around Trump's trial heats up. We turn to renowned criminologist Dr. Emily Lawson for professional advice on the ramifications of Judge Cannon's ongoing engagement. Renowned for her perceptive evaluation of court cases, Dr. Lawson voiced serious worries about the state of affairs. Dr. Lawson said, Judge Cannon's involvement in this trial raises serious questions about impartiality. It is critical that the judges avoid any apparent prejudices given the nature of the case and its possible ramifications. In his remarks, Dr. Lawson emphasized the importance of maintaining judicial impartiality and the need for judges to keep their personal and professional ties to a minimum in order to maintain their objective. Over Judge Cannon, there is some uncertainty over the trial's integrity due to his alleged links to the Trump administration. Judges often withdraw from cases when there is even the slightest possibility of a conflict of interest, according to Dr. Lawson. Because of his prior affiliations, Judge Cannon's eligibility to oversee such a high-profile trial has to be reconsidered in this case. The retired engineer's unsolicited criticism acts as a wake-up call, causing Judge Cannon's judicial behavior to be re-examined. The court is under increasing pressure to preserve the values of impartiality and fairness as public scrutiny grows. A New York judge has once again warned the attorneys defending former President Donald Trump in the criminal case involving purported payments of hush money. Tuesday saw the filing of a court document by New York Supreme Court Justice Juan Merchan alerting Trump's legal team to the need to abide by an earlier decision requiring them to seek consent before submitting any additional motions in the case involving payments made to adult film star Stormy Daniels prior to the 2016 election. The letter states, this court advises counsel that it expects and welcomes zealous advocacy and creative lawyering. As a result, a court of record has the authority to penalize for criminal contempt anyone found to have willfully disregarded its legal directive. This court notes that it wants and fully expects passionate testimony from both parties and witnesses, as well as fervent lobbying from attorneys. However, the court anticipates that there won't be any instances of enthusiastic advocacy crossed with deliberate disobedience to its instructions, the statement said. Adam Klasfeld of Just Security said on X, the previous Twitter platform, that the letter indicates Trump's attorneys risk being found in criminal contempt if they disregard the directive concerning the procedure for submitting motions in the case. The Tuesday filing follows Merchan's decision to set an April 15 trial date in the criminal case involving hush money that Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg filed. The former president allegedly, repeatedly, and fraudulently falsified New York business records to conceal crimes that hid damaging information from the voting public during the 2016 presidential election, according to a 34-count criminal indictment issued by Bragg's office against Trump in April of last year. Trump said on Tuesday that he would have no problem testifying in the matter, continuing to deny any misconduct in the investigation. Trump said, I didn't do anything wrong, and added that his attorneys will probably fight the trial date. The former president said that he doesn't know whether his appeals will result in a trial at all. This search is for witches. Trump said, this is a hoax, just before going into the courtroom on Monday afternoon. The $464 million judgment against President Trump was affirmed by an appeal court, and he now has 10 days to post a $175 million bail. This decision is made in the middle of a court dispute that was started by New York Attorney General Letitia James, who moved to confiscate Trump's possessions, such as his Westchester County house and golf club. On Monday, March 25, 2024, New York Attorney General Letitia James made a contentious statement, stating that the $464 million judgment against the former President Trump is still in place. James broke her silence on the subject and shared startling information about the